Hi boys and girls, it's your teacher Judy once again with another Phonics Fun story. This time we are doing the C story, okay? So let's go. Okay, so as usual, this page is for mommy and daddy so they can see why this book is useful for you guys. Okay, let's move on. This is a car. This is a car. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a cat. This is a cat. The cat is in the car. The cat is in the car. The cow sees the cat. The cow sees the cat. The car goes fast. The car goes fast. The cow runs. Oh no. The cow runs. Oh no. Okay, boys and girls, that's the end of our C story. What does C say? Remember, C says cat, cow, car, and remember candy. Okay, so please do practice, pause, and repeat after me. Okay, remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, goodbye, see you, and thank you. Okay, everyone, please watch out for my next video next week, which will be the D story. Same time, same place. And also remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much once again. Until next time, goodbye, see you, and thank you from your one and only teacher, Tuli.